Kabaka's Lake is a precious jewel on the edge of the Ugandan capital, Kampala. It was created in 1886 by Kabaka II, then ruler of the Kingdom of Uganda. It was part of a royal project near his palace. The current king of Uganda still maintains the palace. While he holds no direct political power, he remains highly revered as a cultural and spiritual leader. Today, Kabaka's Lake still provides a bond between Uganda's largest ethnic group, the Baganda, and their king. Every day, Lamek Kale removes garbage from the lake out of respect for the monarchy. I love keeping the lake clean, so if my king, the Kabaka, comes here, he finds it impressive. But Kabaka's Lake is not only a symbol of cultural identity, it is also a living ecosystem in a busy city. As a rainwater reservoir, it helps to cool the microclimate and provides a habitat for water birds, such as the opened billstalk, an indicator of the health of wetlands, carrion-eating marabou storks, and little egrets that breed here. Lamek's quiet dedication without a wage is preserving nature. Sometimes there are loyal pilgrims who appreciate what I do. They might easily give me 10,000 shillings in gratitude for my work. At Kampala's Chambogo University, environmental scientist Mary Therese Kagwa has found that when people sense a spiritual connection with nature, they tend to actively preserve it.
In that sense, there is a broader benefit we get, that when this site is not interfered with, by anthropogenic activities and all that, it remains intact.
Around 30 kilometers east of Kampala lies another sacred place in the Kingdom of Uganda, the Ssezibwa Falls. Legend has it that a woman gave birth to twins here in the form of two rivers, a divine event that makes the place sacred to this day. People come here to pray and seek healing. Spiritual guardians like Mubiruba Sawa care for the area, but the sacred forest around the waterfall almost protects itself through the powerful stories that are linked to it. For instance, we have specific trees that should never be cut down for any reason. Our forefathers foretold that destroying one of these trees would cause disasters that could not be reversed later. This sanctuary, protected by tradition, provides an emergency backup for the future.
We get organisms, both flora and fauna. We get the abundance is maintained of those different organisms, but also these sites end up working like gene banks for us. That tomorrow if we lose species, whether aquatic or terrestrial for that matter, that we can always go back and get genes or plants, and we can be able to repopulate these areas where we've done deforestation.
Just beyond the sacred area around the falls, deforestation is well underway. Forests have been cleared to create fields for tea and cane. School students now come to Ssezibwa Falls to witness both sides, the cost of destruction and the power of preservation.
Because as we studied, they inform us that these forests have what they call carbon dioxide that reduces this growing rate of global warming. So I learned that I should protect the environment in this place and also in our areas as we go back.
Some people like me had never seen any fall, but if we don't preserve this, I think the future generation cannot come and do what we have seen today. So that's why I think we should protect areas like this one.
The UN's Cultural Heritage Agency, UNESCO, also notes that identity, spirituality, and cultural pride can all help drive conservation. At Ssezibwa Falls, nature is protected, not by law, but by cultural taboos and spiritual beliefs. Likewise at Kabaka's Lake, in serving the king, Lamek Kale is a true steward of the environment.